In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital product to Wix Store. We'll walk through this together from inside your Wix editor, so that by the end, you'll have a digital product ready for customers to buy and download. Start by opening your Wix site in the editor. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the icon labeled My Business or Store. This is where all of your store tools are grouped. Click on that icon to open your business management panel. If you don't see it immediately, hover over the icons until you find the one related to your store or business tools. Once that panel opens, look for the option that says Manage Products. This is your main dashboard for everything you sell in your store. Go ahead and click Manage Products. This will open a new view or tab showing your current products if you already have any. In the products area, you'll see a button near the top, usually on the right side, that says New Product or has a plus sign next to it. Click on that New Product button. This tells Wix you want to add something new to your store. A small menu will appear asking what kind of product you'd like to create. Here, choose Digital Product. This is important because digital products are delivered as files or links, not shipped physically. Selecting Digital Product makes sure Wix handles delivery automatically after purchase. Now you'll see a form where you can fill in all of your product details. Start with a clear product name that your customers will recognize. Then add a description that explains what the digital product is, who it's for, and what's included. You can also upload product images or a cover graphic to make it more attractive. Set your price, choose the right currency, and if you want, assign the product to a category so it's easier to find in your store. In the same area, you'll find options to upload the actual digital file or provide a download link, depending on the type of product. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts here. Wix will guide you step by step, asking for things like the file, access settings, and any additional information it needs to deliver the product properly after checkout. Once you've filled in all the required fields and followed the prompts, review everything to make sure it looks correct. When you're happy with your setup, click the Save button. That's it. Your new digital product is now added to your Wix store and ready to be published and sold.